Hey you guys, and welcome back. I have been to Five Below and I have some fun little things to show you, so stick around. Welcome back to DeeVine Deals, you guys. This is the place where I love to show you some of the great deals that I am finding around town, whether it's through couponing or just through special sales, or whether it's just at regular, everyday great prices. We all love a good deal, do we not? Yes, we do. Recently, you guys saw, if you're watching over on the vlog channel, that we went to Five Below. Yes, we did, and you saw we had a little bit of fun in the store. So many fun things to play with while you're in there. Yeah, we had a good time, but I found some really good deals on workout clothes, you guys. Those of you that have been following over on DeeVine DeeZine know that I've been on a weight loss journey, and part of the process of losing weight is getting moving. So I've taken you with me to some of the different exercises that I've been doing, running track, running stadiums, and all that fun stuff. We even took you to the hotel over on DeeVine Health, showed you how to work out in the hotel and all that fun stuff. But in order to work out, you got to have clothing that makes it easy to move, right? Yeah, and workout clothes, you guys, can be expensive. Yeah, so when I walked into Five Below the other day and saw a huge display they had right up by the front door of all the new little workout clothes they have in, I thought, what a perfect time to pick some up, because all of them were just $5 each. You can't beat that. Even on the clearance rack at Walmart, I haven't been able to find anything cheaper than that. Not yet, anyway. So let's dig right on in. Before we get to all that workout stuff, though, I got to show you a couple of things that I picked up that were not workout related. And the first one was this little beanie with that cute little emoji. Now, you guys know how much I love the emojis, and it's been cold here in Florida. Had to keep that head of mine warm at some of Bub's ball games, but check out what it does. Ah, look at there, you can change his face. Yeah, so it has the little heart eyes on one direction, and then when you move this the other direction, let's see if we can get him all back up there, then he's winking. So my son found this one. I thought it was adorable and had to pick that up. Also, non-workout related was this little mini LED Diva Ring for the phone. Yes, check it out. Now, this is supposed to help us take some awesome photos with the camera on our phone. So we're going to try it. We're going to try it. This hopefully will make some of our Instagram posts look a whole lot better for you guys. So that whenever you see our post over there, they'll look a little more professional for you. Have not tried one of these yet from Five Below, so I'm hoping to. As a matter of fact, by the time that I make this video, I'll be able to show you some pictures of before without the Diva Ring, and then a picture with the Diva Ring. Yes, check out the difference there. So it does come with its own little batteries. That's a nice little bonus, and very excited to have this. So we're going to test out this little light. I am standing in the middle of my hallway. All that's coming in is a little natural light off of the living room, so you can see it's a little dark. Now let's turn on this Diva Light and see what happens. Let's click that on. There are 3 settings. You can have low, medium, and high light. Ooh, look at there. That was with the low. There's medium. And there is high. Ah, that is amazingly incredible, you guys, especially for just $5. Yes. Now let's look at some of these fun workout clothes I found. I'll be showing you a little lookbook with all these workout clothes over on the new channel, DeeVine Health, within the next few days. So you're going to want to keep looking over there to see when I do the little try-ons. The first thing that I found was this super adorable little sports bra. And no, this will not be one that is shown on camera. But I thought this was so cute. You can see in the back right there that it has the little crisscross with those little hot pink straps. Very lightweight, but yet feels like it's going to be very sturdy. There is some padding in there, ladies, which is always nice whenever you have on a little workout bra. So very excited to find this for just that $5. Found this super cute little tank top right here, you guys. Loving that gradient color with the pinks and grays, some of my favorite color combinations. combination. Starts out with the word strong all the way to the word strongest. Thought that was so cute. Love the little athletic back that it has right here with the little elastic piece right there in the middle. Looks like that's going to be nice and comfy and plenty cool enough here in Florida. I found this super cute little pair of workout pants. I'm not sure if you guys can see. This is long all the way to the ankles. Nice material. It feels like a very nice thick quality. Like, these do not feel cheap at all compared to other exercise clothes that I already own here around the house. But thought these colors were pretty with the blue and the pink and the purple. So fun, and gonna be fun during the springtime especially. Some of you guys have already seen this next item if you follow along over on Instagram. But check out this super cool compression shirt. It says Fierce right down the arm. You can't really tell it on there, but it is a silver metallic lettering on there. Thought this was beautiful. You know I love that hot pink. This next little pair of pants that I have down the leg says Work It Out. These also are ankle length. Has the nice little cuff right up here on the waist, and really these are marketed as yoga pants. So if you've ever had yoga pants, you know how soft and how flexible and movable those are. But I thought these are going to be very nice for those workouts. Speaking of that pink and gray combination, one of my favorite color combinations ever since I was little, and you guys will know I have gray walls in my house. I have pink accents in my office. I just love those colors together. But found this super cute little pair of sweatpants, and down on the leg is where it has that little color combo. This does have the little elastic ankles, which I like whenever you're jogging and running. Those pants won't get in your way, but super cute. It does have the drawstring up top here, so as you lose weight and they start getting a little looser, you don't have to worry about that waist falling down. Just $5, who can beat it? And that's it. That's all the fun little goodies that I got at Five Below this time. I was super excited to share this one with you because I know that a lot of you have jumped in on this weight loss journey with me, and you're moving more. And when you move more, you need clothes that will move with you, that will breathe with you, and that will make working out a little less taxing. If that's even possible. That's the point, right? It's supposed to be hard. But nonetheless, we need new clothes, girls, whenever we're working out. We just do, and Five Below is a great place to get them. I mean, just $5. I bought other clothes at Five Below before. My daughter has gotten clothes at Five Below before, and they're always great quality, and they really do last. So don't forget to check them out if you have one near you and you're looking for something like this for just $5 a piece. You definitely can't beat that. And don't forget to be following over on DeeVine Health, because I'll have a little lookbook for you coming soon to show you what all these are going to look like once we get them on. All right, I want to thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, I hope that you get out there and get you some DeeVine deals. I'll see you soon.